I'm so bored.
Yes, I'm so
What kind of
bored
activity
too.
should we do?
AAA, I know.
Come on, wait a minute, the bell rang. What happened? Something came to the door. Come on, Mesa, run to the door and let's open the door. The package has arrived, come on, let's get it. You take the one below, is it light?
Yes, slightly. Come on, let's open these.
Come on, run, let's open it. Come on, let's open the packages immediately. Open it and see what's inside. I think we should start with a box first. I think so too, come on. Open it and try to find it. Let's see what comes out. We can't open it from the place with the tape inside. My dear, you can open it. Come on, open it up and see what's there. I'm curious too.
Oh, great! This is so great.
Get up, it's great. Did you like it? Is it nice? We bought a Supergirl dress for Mesa. How about we try it?
Yes, let's try.
Mesa, it turned out great. Show it to your friends. Isn't it very beautiful? Show the back too. Yes, look, their tutus are very nice. And like this. They have something like a glove that they put on their arms. Turn around, baby. This is also very nice, very good quality, I really liked it. You turned out great, my love.
I'm Supergirl.
Yes, you are now a Supergirl. I thought it was very cute. So are you ready for adventure?
Yes, I'm ready.
Come on, where was our other box? It was here. Let's see. Yes, what's in this? Open up, baby. Let's see, what is it? Oh, what is that, I wonder? What comes in this package? Look at the package below first. What are they? What will be the surprise? Wow, slime making kit. Show me your slime set. Let's see, let's open it.
I'm Supergirl.
Yes, you are a Supergirl now. So you can open it very easily. What is it? I don't believe it. Should we open it? Come on, let me help you. What is this? Glitter. What are these? Let's open them too. Slime making kit. You try to open it. Wait, let me help you again. Friends, colorful slime. Blue. Yellow. Silly gel. Green. Clear. And finally, neon pink is so beautiful. Yes, it is the same here too. And in addition to these, we have one pack of colored glitters. There are also very cute and beautiful Sims like this. Look. Very nice, friends, colorful. We can do other things with these. Great. Supergirl, what are you doing? Welcome.
Thank you, I'm good.
Are you eating figs? Did your grandmother buy you figs? Do you eat them nicely too?
Yes.
Do you like it? Do you know they are Mesa's figs? I hope Mesa won't be upset if she sees it.
I'm sorry.